Hey there, drink enthusiasts! Welcome to another episode where we dive into the delightful world of dinner drinks. Whether you're dining out at a fancy restaurant or enjoying a cozy home-cooked meal with loved ones, choosing the right drink to pair with dinner can elevate your experience to new heights, making every bite and sip a memorable one. Today I'm diving into the age-old debate, wine, beer, or cocktails. Let's start with wine, the timeless classic. Wine has been a dinner staple for centuries, cherished for its ability to enhance the flavors of a wide variety of dishes. It's elegant, it's classic, and there's a variety for every dish. From robust reds to delicate whites, wine offers a spectrum of flavors and aromas. If you're having a steak or a rich pasta, a bold red wine like a Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot is your best friend. These wines have the depth and body to stand up to hearty dishes. On the other hand, if you're enjoying seafood or a light salad, a crisp white wine like a Sauvignon Blanc or Chardonnay will complement the flavors perfectly, adding a refreshing touch. And let's not forget about the bubbly, champagne or Prosecco can make any dinner feel like a celebration, adding a touch of sparkle to your evening. Now let's talk beer. Beer isn't just for BBQs and game days, folks. It's a versatile drink that can pair beautifully with a variety of meals. With the explosion of craft beers, there's something for every taste and meal. From hoppy IPAs to smooth lagers, the options are endless. Craft beers have opened up a whole new world of flavors, allowing you to find the perfect brew to match your dinner. A hoppy IPA can cut through the richness of fatty foods like burgers or fried chicken, providing a refreshing contrast. A smooth lager or pilsner pairs wonderfully with lighter dishes like sushi or chicken, enhancing the delicate flavors without overpowering them. And if you're having something hearty like a stew or roast, a stout or porter can be a match made in heaven, adding depth and richness to your meal. But what about cocktails? Cocktails offer a creative and sophisticated twist to your dinner experience, allowing for endless customization and flair. A classic martini or Manhattan can be a sophisticated start to your meal, setting the tone for an elegant evening. For spicy foods, try a margarita or a mojito. The refreshing citrus can be a great counterbalance to the heat, cooling your palate and enhancing the flavors. And don't forget about dessert. Pairing a sweet treat with the right cocktail can elevate your dining experience to new heights. An espresso martini or a brandy Alexander can be the perfect ending to your dinner, offering a delightful blend of flavors to cap off your meal. So, how do you choose the right drink? It can be a bit overwhelming with so many options, but it's all about finding what suits your taste and the meal you're having. It really comes down to personal preference and the flavors you enjoy. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new combinations. There's no right or wrong answer, and sometimes the best part is experimenting to find what you love. To recap, let's go over the highlights. Wine is versatile and elegant, perfect for a wide range of dishes. Whether you prefer red, white, or sparkling, there's a wine for every occasion. Beer offers variety and can enhance the flavors of both light and hearty meals. From IPAs to stouts, there's a beer for every palate. And cocktails bring creativity and fun to the table, perfect for matching with specific flavors or starting and ending your meal on a high note. They add a touch of sophistication and excitement to any dinner. Next time you sit down for dinner, think about what drink will make your meal special. Consider the flavors, the occasion, and most importantly, what you enjoy. Cheers to good food, great drinks, and even better company. Here's to making every meal a memorable one. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious tips and tricks. We love sharing our passion for food and drinks with you. Until next time, happy dining. May your meals be delicious and your drinks perfectly paired.